We provide AdSense approval course, AdSense loading arbitration course, YouTube watch time course, and YouTube CPM work course. For more information, contact us on WhatsApp.
So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, this video is for my new AdSense loading method that I used in 2026. I will refresh my AdSense, then I will show you my earnings, because many people say this is a screenshot, so we don't use screenshots. Here you can see my earnings, and if you want to increase your earning or you want to do AdSense loading, you can contact me. You can see last day we created $10 there. We earned $10 last day, and today is $90 because of it's just a morning. Okay, I just start work, and last 7 days you can say we create $288, and $406 we generate this whole month, and now some days left in month complete, so we will create more uh, money. So this is money. If you want to earn, you can contact me. I have a complete course, or also I will guide you step by step and live classes, and I will improve your CPC, improve your uh, the earning. You can see the last month earning. Last month earning is very low, and right now you can see uh, there's a good earning. I will refresh my website again, and now you can see my page views. I have only 242 page views today, and I have RPM. You can see my RPM is $49, $79, and here you can see my CTR. My CTR is very low, and as low your CTR, your AdSense will save. And the most important thing is CPC. You can see my CPC. My CPC is only one Sharia $290, at least $2 you can say, and I have only 10 click, and you can see uh, my earning is very good. Okay, so this is a very good CPC, because many people don't have this kind of CPC, cost per click, and this is the main reason you earn money when your CPC is high. And I share everything in my course. Also I guide how you can increase your CPC practically, not theoretically. My complete course is practical. I share each and everything. If I will show you, my traffic come mainly from United States or India. I make money from United States, most of my money. Okay, so if you want to increase your earning, if you want to increase your earning, you can buy my course. In fact, I share each and everything. There's no other thing. Okay, I will show you my CPC, how much CPC I got from um, United States. India have very low CPC, but United States have very good CPC. So guys, I hope you like this video, you like this live earning, and if you want to learn completely from scratch, if you have a website, you don't have a earning, even you don't have a website, I will guide my course how you can create a website, how you can earn money from it, and each and everything I share in my course. So let's meet on my WhatsApp group. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button.